Today we will discuss the data filling techniques in Python. And if we have a missing salary, then we will fill it with the average salary of that record. And if we have a missing age of the record, then we can fill it with the last age written in the above row. So let's start. Okay, here we have a data set, and you can find it in a comments box or description. I will paste this data set again for working. Okay, this is our data set. I paste it in the notebook of Jupyter. Then we're having a none records of age and salary. So I will create a variable previous age is equal to none, and having creating a loop. I will take all the data and skip the header. So that's why I using data one column for using rest of the data and skip the header like name, age, salary. It was a header. Now I will check the data. Okay. I write that if row of I is none, if the data is none, then previous age will be filled to that row one, like that row we are getting. Else, we will write the logic that if then we will take the that row in the okay. Uh, so if there is a none, they're having a previous age value of that record. Now you can see that age is being filled with the previous age record, like 24 was none, and 22 also was none, but now it's fills with the last record. Okay, again, I am pasting that data here. Already I have pasted the data in the and it is in a variable data. So now you see that salary is none with some rows. So we need to have to find average and fill with the none with the average variable. So for that, I initialize total is equal to 0 and count is equal to 0 for manipulation of average of that record. So again, we will loop through that rest of record and skip the header. So that's why we write data one column. And now if row 2 is not none, if the data is not none, then we will take the average of the record like total plus equal to row of 2 and count will be plus with the increment of 1. Then average will be calculated like round. I will use round method for skipping any decimal points, and also it will make a figure for salary, and I will divide the total with the count. Then I will print average. Then I will print the average like okay, I will print that variable. Then again, row in data, one column, like rest of the data. And again, I need to find that row 2. This is the second column of the record, which is the salary. First is the name, second is the uh, age, and third is the salary. So I created average salaries 4119 for that record. Yes, I am telling that this record starts with the zero index, or the column 2 will be the last column of that record, which is salary. So if the row is none, if it is a none, then this row will be filled with the average amount, which is I'm already uh, calculated above, and that's it. My data will be filled with the none with that average salary. Now I'm executing it with the shift enter. You can see that this is none. Still, I'm not executed that code. Now I'm going to run this, like shift enter that row, that cell, and now you can see that average amount has been filled with the none of the record of that salary column. So this is the way we can fill the salaries of record, how much, whatever the record is. So in the next time, we will discuss about different techniques of sorting data and filling the missing gaps of the data. So let's stay with this.